Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Today we are going to see how to calculate a value and use that calculated variable in another chart in the ClickSense. So for this, first of all, we are going to declare a variable. As I declared already, v year is equal to 2016. So we are going to count our employee IDs which are registered in 2016. So for that, first of all, we are going to take a KPI and we will see that how many IDs have been count in the 2016 year. Okay, so count employee ID. This is set analysis expression. So here we will write year field name 2016. So this is 28. And how much total IDs have been generated? We will also see that. Count employee ID. Oh, let me correct my column name. Column name should be correct because it's a case sensitive, so it's might give the error. We will take a bar chart here as we want to use variable in another chart, so that's why we are taking a bar chart. We take dimension as year and my year as count employee ID. Okay, let me enable the data labels. Okay, so here you are getting the value labels also. So now we are going to use a variable in our KPI and in our bar chart. So first of all, we will use it in the KPI count brackets curly brackets modifiers dollar expansion. So here we are going to use year our field name. Okay, and here we will going to use our variable curly brackets commas and dollar expansion start bracket close bracket, and here we will use our variable name v year. Here we have to take our column name which we want to measure. In our case it is employee ID. Okay, so you can see that it's giving the same count. Here we did not use a variable, but here we use a variable, so it's giving us a same count. So we want to use it in other chart, so for that we're going to use take year and we will use same measure in this chart. Control copy and just paste it here. Okay, so you can see that we are getting the same count as here 28. Let me enable the value label so it is well easily modified. Okay, so you can see that in KPI we have used variable and we are used variable in another chart, so we are getting the exact same value. So that's how first we declare a variable and then we can use that calculated variable in any other chart in the ClickSense.